Hi, this is Mark, and this is the video for the elaboration on obviousness and anticipation for the 3-unit students for homework number 5. So I'm going to start off by just discussing what anticipation and obviousness mean, and then I'll do an example of both with regard to the insulator sleeves to show the concepts. So anticipation is when a prior art or earlier patent really shows all of the features that are being explained or talked about in a new patent, but they didn't claim it. So for example, if they have all of the sizes and shapes and exact way that they manufactured something, but they never claimed it, and then someone else comes along and tries to claim that process or that exact device, you could say, but it's already been discussed and it's already been released, so it's not new. And then the example with this one is insulator sleeve US 7922031B1, and this is for a sleeve that allows you to write on the inner sleeve and put the outer sleeve on, and you can see through, which has a lot of uses, specifically in like coffee shops where you can write an order down and then see what you're giving them. And while both writing on a cup or a sleeve was not necessarily new, and having a multi-layer sleeve with the grip was not new, putting these two ideas together was new, novel, and very innovative, and thus this does not show anticipation. As far as obviousness is, so obviousness is the idea that when you have a patent or a prior art, and then someone else tries to come and patent something that's basically the same thing, that has only a very, very minor difference or change. And the idea behind this is to protect patents and patent holders from other people just copying their patent and making a very slight difference, so that, like, for example, a consumer wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the two. That would be probably too slight of a difference. So then the discussion for obviousness is insulating sleeve US 6343735B1. And this is for a sleeve that has ridges on the outside, and because it has these ridges, there's small air pockets in those triangular areas in between the ridge, and the air is actually the thing used as the it cools or heats the beverage depending if it's hot or cold. So it's working as the insulating agent, which had never been done before. And hadn't really been discussed ever before either, even though other things may have had air being used in some sense. This one is not it hadn't been exactly really shown before, and that's why this one is not exactly obvious. Thank you.